Today we're going to do the 6 foot, 6 Crackles animatronic. So let's see his demo.
I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show.
Okay, let's see the pictures. So, I think he's a cool animatronic. He was a cool animatronic. He's going to be cool at a flagship store. He's going to be a good animatronic at the flagship store. Yeah. I'm excited to see him in person if my store is open. No, if he's in the theme. If he was in the theme. He's going to be a good animatronic for everybody. So, yeah. I think people already bought him, so, yeah.